Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Walls and Ceilings, and welcome to If Walls Could Talk. I'm so excited and honored to have with me from USG my good friend Derek Hutchinson,
Hello.
who is the Director of Gypsum Materials. Derek, great to see you.
Great to see you as well. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Yes, and thanks so much for joining me.
Yeah.
So I'd like to start off, before we even went on, we were talking about if walls could talk. I mean, there's some fun things. If the walls could really talk, what would they say about USG?
I think when I think about if walls could talk, I think walls will say, hey, I can live for hundreds of years if you just put the proper system in front of me, right? And so when I think about USG and I think about tilebackers and I think about bathrooms, I think about water.
Yeah.
And these walls, wood, typically don't like water that much. So how do you put the right system in front of it so water doesn't pass through and basically you protect the resiliency of that wall structure so it can last for at least 100+ years.
That would be amazing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Clearly, my bathroom would have loved to have that conversation before it went up in place.
Correct,
right?
correct. And you think about it, right? If you're in the bathroom and the tile looks good, but what if there's like mold growing behind that because of all the water that's passing through? And again, it's all about the resiliency. And here at USG, we continue to think about and innovate surrounding resiliency of walls.
Well, you guys are definitely innovators.
Yeah.
And resiliency is definitely a key term that I know goes just hand in hand with USG. But let's talk about USG Durock brand and that resilience and what does that all mean?
Yeah. So Durock, believe it or not, it's been around for 43 years.
Really?
43 years. And so when you think about that longevity of a product that's been in bathrooms, been on walls, interior, exterior, for 43 years, I mean, it performs outstanding. The resiliency is there. It's extremely durable. It doesn't crumble or deteriorate in the presence of water either, hence the exterior application of it.
Right.
You can bond tile, bond stone to it. It all holds really well, and it's all warranted as well. So I think that's key too, right? Is having that warranty behind it, so that hey, if I know I'm going to install this in a bathroom, I'm going to install it outside, USG will warranty that application and that panel withstanding the elements overall.
Yeah.
So it's again 43 years of Durock, absolutely amazing, and it's probably older than you, Jill.
Almost. Almost. I was just saying that's great that you guys stand behind your product that much to have even a warranty on it.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
Absolutely.
Very, very cool. Well, the other thing that you guys I want to talk to you about is when it comes to, again, just USG innovating in this space, let's talk about the brand AquaSmart and tilebacker board.
Yeah, so as we look at tilebackers and again water, we want to help contractors, DIYers to make it easier, simpler for them to figure out, hey, how to make sure that water doesn't go into the wood studs and add to that resiliency. So if the walls could talk, they would say, hey, I'm going to be around for a very long time because you put the proper system.
Yes.
In addition, you didn't break the budget either. And so that's where Fiberock AquaSmart comes in.
Okay.
Typically, you would install a waterproofing layer over the entire tile backer, right?
Okay.
Whatever that may be. However, AquaSmart, the Fiberock AquaSmart product, is already waterproof.
Okay.
So that panel there, you only need to treat the joints and the fastener head. So number one, you're going to save a lot of time. And number two, you're going to save a lot of money because you're not buying a big gallon or a big 3-gallon bucket of waterproofing. You're buying a little small one because you just do the joints, do the fasteners, and it's waterproof.
Okay, so wait, question. So AquaSmart, is it already on the board or does it come in a bucket?
That's a great question. So the waterproofing of AquaSmart is in the core. It's in the panel itself.
It's already in the panel. That's amazing.
It's already in the panel.
All right.
So that's how we innovate, right? We're thinking about, hey, how can we save a contractor or an installer time and money? And then the other part is, hey, they can install it, seal the joints, the fasteners, tile it, and move on to the next job.
Okay.
And so the objective there is, instead of doing 3 jobs a week, maybe I can do 5 jobs a week, make more money just because of it's less time. And so again, that product when you think about just the features and benefits of AquaSmart is, again, number one, it's not going to break the budget.
Right.
Number two,
okay.
It actually handles like drywall. Here at the show today, I spoke to a bunch of contractors, like, wow, this feels like drywall, and some were like, oh, we use this. Like, did you know you can actually paint over this?
Oh, that's amazing.
So you can butt it up right up to the drywall, and you
Okay.
can paint it, and people won't know if it's drywall or if it's the AquaSmart
nice.
panel. So you can run straight from the bathroom
Okay.
into the wall, paint it,
that's awesome.
tile it, great bond, excellent durability. It's just,
Nice.
again, an amazing panel that saves time and money.
There's so much when it comes to those details and those benefits.
Yeah, the gypsum fiber technology is
Yes.
a part of the AquaSmart, right? And so USG has had Fiberock, and that product there recently celebrated its 25th anniversary.
That's amazing.
And with innovation, we were able to turn that into AquaSmart,
Got
a waterproof
it.
panel.
Okay.
And so that panel basically, again, it integrates the waterproofing technology
Yep.
within the panel, but it also integrates the strength as well
Sure.
within the panel, hence the gypsum fiber name. So the strength of that panel is inside of it, and again, what we state is that it's waterproof to its core, right? And so that starts from the front of the panel all the way to the back of the panel, anywhere in between, it's waterproof, water's not passing through it. And again, it's all about saving time, money, but also ease of installation. I'm going to use an interesting phrase here that I heard is that when contractors think of AquaSmart, they think of it as the Goldilocks of tilebacker boards, meaning like,
Nice.
hey, it's like the perfect tilebacker board because it's easy to cut, easy to install, and also it's waterproof, and it doesn't break the budget. Right?
Amazing.
It's not super expensive or anything like that, and it's again, they call it the Goldilocks of tilebacker
That's
boards.
very cool. I
Yeah,
love it.
yeah.
All right, Goldilocks. Well, so if contractors want to find out more, what's the website? Where do they go? How do they find out where to purchase?
They're definitely going to USG.com. We recently redesigned the website to make
cool.
it more accessible, easy to find. So you go to USG.com, you go into the products page, and you'll see all of our tilebackers there. We have 3 different tilebackers that, hey, we're all about making sure that we have a product that people like, that they enjoy and want to install. But again, our most recent one is the Fiberock AquaSmart tilebacker, and it's doing extremely well in the market today.
Love it. Awesome. Well, Derek, thank you so much again for joining me.
Absolutely.
Again, it's USG.com.
Yes, USG.com.
Okay, sounds great. And if anybody has any questions for us, it is WCOnline.com. And while you're there, make sure you follow us on all our social media channels, sign up for our free content. Stay safe and healthy. Stay dry, too, right?
Yeah,
Stay
yeah,
dry. And we can't wait to talk to you soon. Derek,
Awesome.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Jill.
Take care.
Yep.